One Punch Man is coming back with season 3 very soon, son. Who's animating it this time around? Not Madhouse anymore. It's gonna be Mappa. One Punch Man is pulling up on Mappa after Chainsaw Man has just been a thing. So they're coming in expecting Chainsaw Man quality.
Yo, Mappa probably stealing people now.
I
Like
bet.
you know how the college fairs they be pulling up like, yo, we hire everybody in the back like, yo, bro, I'm not trying to work at Mappa, bro.